Universal number system is newly discovered the largest number system in mathematics. And here we will see the top uniqueness and characteristics of this system. Existing maths has 0 and infinity as minimum and maximum point. However, universal number system expands beyond 0 and infinity, having even more smaller magnitudes than 0 and even more larger magnitudes than infinity. And most beautiful of all, there is no minimum or maximum point. Few mathematical operations with 0 and infinity are locked, that in turn blocks the certain basic operations and solutions that creates undefined or indeterminate forms in existing mathematics. Whereas all these operations and even more are unlocked in universal number system. The universal number system is fully symmetrical, as 0 has -0 as an additive inverse and infinity as a multiplicative inverse, which are totally operational and proven in this system. This means operations associated with 0 and infinity will be 100% reversible. Whereas traditional maths and its number line does not have the inverse of 0, which results in asymmetric nature, also blocking the reversible operations and violating transitive property. Example, this is the division operation in real number system, which can lead to this. And using transitive property, we get this. And if we replace this 13 with unknown value x, the equation is locked forever. And we can never solve this value of x as 13. And if x value is 20-digit number, we can easily create a $1 billion maths unsolved problem with an entry fee of 1 cent to minimize the random answers, and we will be trillionaire. The point is, we can't reverse this equation. Also, we can express this in real numbers, but reversible and transitive property fails here too. However, such issues doesn't occur and it's totally cleared in universal number system due to the precision in its basic formulas. Universal number system follows conservation of magnitude. It's exactly the same as our world follows the conservation of energy. Traditional maths don't follow such things. And these are the arithmetic rules of universal numbers. In simple words, magnitude are neither created nor destroyed in mathematical operations. Rather, magnitude changes their dimension from one to another. This magnitude is in real numbers or unity dimension, and this magnitude is in 0 dimension. And some other operations also lead to infinite dimension numbers. So here it is very transparent that the magnitude are conserved in every operational rule and every side of the equation. It's simply non-hackable internally and totally fortified from the system point of view. We can use the solution of universal numbers in real numbers. Example, this and this are already true in real numbers. A times 0 is imported in real numbers, then A times 0 will be reduced to 0, giving real number its correct and precise solution. So this is also correct. Here also 0 times log A will become 0 and we will be left with 1. And this is also a correct solution. The solution of universal numbers are 100% correct in real numbers. However, the real number solution won't remain precisely correct in universal number system for 0 and infinity related problems. That's a different thing. Universal numbers is very accurate in its mathematical operations, its precision, its detail, and its information throughout the number line, making it continuous till infinity and 0, and even beyond than that. In traditional maths, using only 1, we can create infinity, but there is no possible way infinity can be reduced down back to 1. And same way, just using only 1, we can lead to 0, but using 0, we can never lead back to 1. So this is clear disconnection in logical operation and its pathways. However, in universal numbers, infinity and 0 can operationally become 1 or 2 or 99 or 0 or infinity square or any number. So this maintains a direct continuity or logical connectivity throughout the infinite system and its number line. The detailed information allows to define infinity more logically and in structured order in various areas for various applications. Let's take a hypothetical machine, a particle accelerator like a hadron collider with a hypothetical capability that it is generating infinite gold atoms, having this infinite equation per attosecond. This is great. But what if there is another particle accelerator with this equation per attosecond? Both will create infinite gold, no doubt. But if we check on 36th day, first one will have 2 kg gold and second one will have 4 kg gold. Point is, the second one will always have 2x greater gold at any moment, and both infinities will never have the same amount of gold unless this equation itself changes. In short, 2 infinity and 4 infinity or x infinity are never rounded to infinity. As such, precision in coefficients gives unique application to universal number system. This is definitely a robust framework that is more aligned to universe. This system is 100% symmetrical, giving 100% internal stability, hack-proof, and no magnitude creation or destruction internally due to conservation of magnitude in every operations. Also, as this phenomena is same as the conservation of energy, this system has direct reach to physics and its laws. This means there is a probability to learn physics and science using just mathematical models on computer. This system opens many new applications, as many basic operations are unblocked that were locked in real numbers. You will find many application video in this channel too. And having no minimum and maximum magnitudes gives an extra edge to the internal growth of the system in various ways. So this is all the currently known solidity of the system. And if you like the video, do hit that like button and subscribe to see more similar videos. That's all for this video.